Cloudy conditions this Thursday over the northeastern parts of South Africa, and rain is likely, especially this morning, over the eastern parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. On the other side of the country, bergwind conditions persist, resulting in high daytime temperatures over the western interior, and warming is likely along the southern coastline and the adjacent interior as well. Here's our rainfall forecast for today. Dry conditions over the central and western parts of South Africa after thunderstorms affected the Free State and northwest overnight. The drizzle is likely over the eastern parts of Mpumalanga as well as Limpopo, especially along the eastern escarpment, with a low risk of rain at first over the northern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Daytime temperatures influenced by a lot of cloud cover over the eastern interior. 16 degrees in Bethlehem today. Johannesburg cold as well with a high of 16. Pretoria short of 20 degrees at a maximum of 18. Mid-20s in Richards Bay. Bombela cool at 19. It's going to be warmer in the west, 21 degrees in Daar and Kimberley, 20 degrees in Sutherland today, and a hot afternoon in Vredendal with a maximum of 31, mid-20s in Cape Town, Port Elizabeth and George. Now let's take a closer look at the coastal forecast for today. Lovely beach conditions likely over a large portion of the South African coastline. Fresh northeasterlies will be associated with an open ocean swell of 2 meters along the west coast. Lighter winds further south in the vicinity of Langebaan. Along the southwest coast today, offshore winds as well. Very light winds up to 10 kilometers per hour. It should be a perfect beach day along the southwest coast with an open ocean swell of 2 meters, and this translates to a breaker of 3 feet on the shoreline. Low tide is expected just before 11 o'clock this morning along the southern Cape coastline. Offshore winds slightly stronger in the vicinity of Port Elizabeth and Jeffreys Bay with an open ocean swell of 2 meters. Along the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal, there's still a chance of rain this morning. This will be associated with light east to northeasterly winds. Fresh winds likely along the eastern Cape coastline this afternoon. East London with an average wind speed of 30 kilometers per hour, and this will be associated with an open ocean swell of 2 meters.
News that moves. eNCA.com.